Welcome to the MaxBill system login page, where users enter their credentials to access a defined set of applications. User access to the MaxBill system can be done via single sign-on functionality, with user authentication managed by external identity system, such as Microsoft, Active Directory, Azure B2C, and Cakewalk. After sign-in, user gain access to the product catalog, customer care, billing, and self-care modules. We will now proceed to the customer care module, where the MaxBill customer management system provides a comprehensive view of customer information through a unified interface. This system supports entire customer lifecycle, including sales management, contract negotiation, service fulfillment, consumption, calculation, billing, payment collection, and debt management. Using the search by customer name filtering option, we will open a customer profile to present an overview of an existing customer in the system. The summary screen provides general information about the customer and their contracts. At the top of the page, you will find the summary information panel, which contains the customer number, name, type, and balances overview. In the finance section, you will find detailed balance information, including credit limit, installment, billed, unbilled, deposit, and overdue balances. The summary screen also features a comprehensive list of contacts and addresses. The counts of contacts and the addresses are not limited. The hierarchy section illustrates the relationship between system entities. Configuration of relations in the system allows creation of customer and billing hierarchies. For example, you can connect subsidiaries to headquarters, account managers to clients, sales agents to their customers, etc. Here we have a relationship to object that represents power of attorney. You can navigate to the appropriate entity by clicking on the relevant link. At the bottom of the page, you will find information about active contracts, premises, endpoints, connected meters, packages, and services. To manage this information, use the appropriate attributes on the menu panel. Clicking on the contract attributes will navigate you to the list of contracts. There could be a situation where the customer has several contracts with the same quantity of premises, each related to the appropriate contract. This page includes brief contracting details such as contract duration, premises addresses, and total balance. Let's proceed with this contract to dive into their details. Diary notes, which are created automatically based on customer operations, are edited manually by the system operator, are also available on the general screen. There is also a trouble ticketing section, where all relevant trouble tickets for this customer can be viewed and managed, with the most recent ones displayed on the summary screen. The currently viewed trouble ticket was created by incoming email with the related document, in this case, a photo of the meter. The related documents in the different formats are linked to the customer and can also be accessed from the summary page with a click. The user can view a document simply by clicking on its name. All information about customer consumption is available on the reading page. Navigate to the readings attribute, where data can be filtered and grouped by various parameters such as reading type, status, meter, date range, etc. For example, by filtering by the electricity product, the information of the electricity standard meter will be available, including the source of the meter reads, for example, system reads or customer provided, their quality, real or estimated, where they were initially added with the connection of the meter for the customer, or normal, validated by the system as valid, or estimated reads invalidated by the system after the real meter reads was received. Estimation algorithms are turned on in the absence of real meter reads to bill customer even when there is no available consumption information. After the real reads are accepted, the system recalculates the consumption based on the actual data. The consumption attribute provides information on consumption for the specified parameters in defined units of measurement and currency. This graph provides a visualization of the consumption changes over the previously selected time period for the electricity product. Financial information, such as a list of invoices, receipts, and payments, is available on the Accounts Receivable page. Here you can see the list of invoices and receipts. The history of receipts and payments is displayed in the statement report. This includes information on the opening balance, all financial transactions, including invoices and receipts, balance changes, and closing balance. You can see the documents number, statuses, balances after each transaction, and the current balance. Most of the invoices are covered by the payments, which have been linked and marked with the closed status. Invoices that have not been paid yet or paid partially remain open. The last billed invoice for this customer is still open, as it hasn't been covered yet. Billing type invoices are created by regular billing. Immediate invoices are created separately, specifically for some needs such as boilers sold to the customer or created by hot bill generation. And now let's check how the invoice looks. The invoice is generated for gas and electricity for residential use. Each of them includes standing charges for recurring services and usage-based single rates. Discounts can be provided for various types of services. In our case, on the recurring charge for electricity and gas standing charges, and on usage-based services, electricity single rate. We can also see the tax information. There is available consumption history for electricity and gas for the defined period prior the invoice creation. For the user, there is more detailed information available. Consumption in different units of measurement linked to different meter types and the amount of money to be paid. Users can check calculated discounts and VAT for every type of product. VAT for electricity, gas, and compensation VAT from the discount amount. For standing charges, there is a daily price set, which is why there is a quantity for 31 days. The price may be set for the months, half a year, and so on. From the invoice entity, we can navigate to the receipt that covers the invoice and check its payments. They are consistently connected, making financial traceability easy. The same can be viewed from the list of receipts by selecting the needed one. That was a short customer overview.